Okay, this is stock number 7-47M. It's a 2005 Legacy GT. It's a 2.5 twin cam, no turbo. I got a feeling this is a used replacement engine, because last I knew all the GTs were turbo in this body style. So we're gonna go with that. But it seems like it runs okay. So I don't know what's up with that, but at any rate, yeah. So I'm going to say good motor on this thing. The transmission, it bumps forwards and backwards good. I can't test drive it though, because there's no battery in it. But I'll show you that it bumps. We got reverse. And we got forwards. Low miles on this thing. We got 130,902. No check engine light, which again, not too sure how they did that, unless they did like a regular Legacy computer, because I think that's what they ended up doing. But yeah, however they made it work, it looks like it works. I'm gonna let it run for a while and see if there's any overheat issues or anything with it, because I know those are known for head gaskets, you know, the EJ25s. So and I'll put it in the notes if so, but other than that, looks like good drivetrain, I guess.